Hello, WABAM. Today we talk WABAM Blast. This is a citrus foaming all-purpose cleaner. Great for an assortment of things, whether we're talking in the shop, on tools, benches, any of that. It's got the citrus in it, enough to loosen dirt up and clean it real nice, but not overly aggressive. Foaming action, so we see where it's applied, which is a beautiful thing. And you know where I've used it a lot is when we're talking running boards, plastic rubber type floor mats, stuff like that, vinyl floors where you just track the dirt in there, get it vacuumed, get it cleaned up. But then when you left that residue behind, this is where it comes in handy. Check it out. Very nice. Let it foam up, let it sit there a little bit. It's real dirty. You'll see it actually, the white foam will start to brown a little bit and loosen up that dirt. Then once you got it loosened up, you can just take your towel, work it down, clean up all that dirt, and you're left with a nice clean surface. So that's WABAM Blast. Foaming citrus all-purpose cleaner. Can be used on a multitude of different things, but this is just a quick example of how we use WABAM Blast.